up, fella. Oh, it's so steep, man. It's so steep. So here we are, Jonathan, on the way to Waterford.
That's the one we are.
How do you say where we're going?
I can't.
So we're in County Waterford, and there's people up ahead, so I've bottled my vlog. People are gone, and I can vlog again.
Yeah, you can vlog.
Vlog again. Ow. Do you have anything to say?
Yeah.
Very little.
No.
It's just make your way to the top.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're in Waterford. We're up on the Coumshingaun Lake, whatever the fuck it's called. And yeah, it looks pretty steep
Already.
Beautiful lake, see? Go up and on. What are we, about an hour in?
Yeah.
Definitely the coolest walk I've ever been on. Like, this place is class. Reached the top here, and this is it's just into the clouds now. What did you say? The age-old question. Gazebo or gazebo?
Gazebo. No, it's
Man,
not. It's gazebo,
man.
man. It's gazebo, man. It's
Gazebo?
All day.
No.
Actually, man, I don't know.
It's gazebo. I think it's gazebo.
I'm in between two minds, to be honest.
Sure. So we're zigzagging our way along. We're up to the top here now. It's actually been alright. Oh, your hair's soaking as well.
Is it? So,
yeah,
you're
fine away. Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, we think so.
We think so anyway.
Oh,
you dirty boy.
My foot went down.
Did it? Oh, chuff.
Fucking hell.
Dust any water going into you?
It's
Soaking,
wet,
is it?
Not wet.
Oh no, man.
I'm alright. We're all good.
Ah, we're all good. False alarm.
Jesus, that was a fucking. That was a weird.
Come on, son. Oh no! Oh! Stay with me. That was great.
So, I reckon we're about almost halfway there. We're on the very top of the hill, but we can't see anything. It is completely.
So, today is a very important day for the lads. We're out on the hike, but not just us on the hike.
Our biggest hike.
Fucking John Bellew's first championship start for the Dubs.
And we're gonna make it back.
What's Johnny Bellew?
We're gonna make it back.
Just flying the drone around the lake there. Kevin is sick, man. Tempting fate flying around here, but got a few nice shots. We're making our great descent, and we're in a bit of a rush to try and catch the Dublin match. So, are we stopping at McDonald's or what?
Drive through.
Yeah, drive through. Mayo chickens on the N7. Yup. Jesus. The local wildlife. Also the local wildlife. Like, so I'd say I would give that walk an easy 8 out of 10. Now,
I would say 8.5.
I
was pretty pleased with the views. Yeah.
the only thing about, right, so my reason that it's not a 10 out of 10 is because you couldn't see it. It's like it's Christmas, but you can't open your presents.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I agree. That's a long one.
Yeah. Didn't feel that long, to be honest. Spoil jar.